How to change your region on card. So listen carefully. First of all, you need to long press on the card application and then you'll see this icon, click on it. From here, you need to clear the data of your card application, go to storage, and from there clear or delete its data. After that, what do you need to do next? You need to download a VPN called Panda VPN, and from here you can select the required location that you want to change to. In its free plan, these locations are available. You can select any of these locations from here. For example, I'll select this location England from here, and as you can see, it's now connected. Now if I open the card application, its region will have changed to England. So that was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to turn it red.